What is up, techies? Fluffy here. For years, being a tech guy meant making a choice. If you wanted great sound, you had to jam silicone tips deep into your ear canal. If you wanted comfort, you had to settle for open-ear speakers that sounded like a whisper in a thunderstorm. But today, we are looking at something that says, why choose? I've been wearing these for the last 48 hours. And when I say wearing them, I mean I literally forgot they were there. This is the HUAWEI FreeClip 2. It's the second generation of their C-Bridge design, and their promise is simple: never feel, never fall. Is it tech? Is it jewelry? Or is it the best audio upgrade for your lifestyle? We're unboxing it, shaking our heads at high speeds, and giving you the full breakdown. Spoiler alert, this one is going straight to the gold list. Let's dive in. Opening the box, we get the usual HUAWEI premium treatment. Documentation? Check. But look at this case. This is the denim blue variant. It's got this refined denim-like texture that feels fantastic in the hand. It's not just blue plastic, it's a fashion statement. Inside we have the buds. Each earbud weighs just 5.1 grams. To put that in perspective, that's lighter than a 1 peso coin. If you've ever felt like your ears were doing weightlifting with bulky TWS buds, this is the gym buddy you actually want. Let's talk about the Airy C-Bridge design. It looks like a high-tech earring, right? It's composed of three parts: the acoustic ball where the sound lives, the comfort bean, the stabilizer, and the flexible C-Bridge connecting them. This isn't just cheap plastic. It's made of a high-performance shape memory alloy wrapped in skin-friendly liquid silicone. Don't try this with your regular buds. This is tested for over 25,000 bends. That's like bending it 10 times a day for 7 years. So, unless you're planning to use these as a fidget spinner for a decade, they are going to last. And the best part? Auto left-right recognition. You don't have to squint to find the L or R markings. Just clip them on, and the NPU inside figures out which ear is which. It's lazy-proof tech, and I am here for it. Usually, open-ear earbuds sound, well, thin. But the FreeClip 2 uses a dual-diaphragm driver and an NPU AI processor. The result? Huawei claims 100% greater loudness and deeper bass than the previous gen. In my testing, the vocals are crisp and the bass actually has thump. It's not head-shaking subwoofer bass, but for an open-ear design, it's remarkably rich. The adaptive volume feature is also a lifesaver. If you're walking from a quiet office into a noisy street in BGC, the buds automatically bump up the volume so you don't have to fumble with your phone. It's like having a tiny sound engineer living on your ear. You get 9 hours of playback on a single charge. With the case, that's 38 hours. If you're running late, 10 minutes of supercharge gives you 3 hours of playback. That's enough for a full movie or a long commute. Plus, it's IP57 water resistant. Sweat on it, splash it, or rinse it under the tap, it doesn't care. HUAWEI FreeClip 2 is the only Airy C-Bridge TWS that actually delivers on comfort, style, and audio. It's a tech fashion icon that happens to be a productivity beast. We're giving this a gold rating. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who hates the feeling of plugged ears but loves their music. Time for my take. As someone who is always on the go, the biggest benefit for me is situational awareness. I can listen to my podcast while walking the dog or commuting, and I can still hear the car honking or someone calling my name. In the APAC region, especially here in the Philippines, it's hot and humid. Traditional in-ears can get sweaty and gross after an hour. Because these don't plug your ear canal, your ears stay refreshed. No ear fatigue, no pressure, no sweat buildup. The never fall test? I've done headbanging. I've done sprints. I've even tried to shake them off like a wet dog. They stayed put. For runners and Pilates enthusiasts, this is a 10 over 10. HUAWEI FreeClip 2 is the only Airy C-Bridge TWS that actually delivers on comfort, style, and audio. It's a tech fashion icon that happens to be a productivity beast. We're giving this a gold rating. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who hates the feeling of plugged ears but loves their music. If you're ready to let your ears breathe, check the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechBeatPH, and let me know in the comments. Are you team in-ear or team open-ear? This is Fluffy, staying connected and staying stylish.